Hi friends, it's Marty. Today we're making cranberry rosemary shortbreads. Look at these little guys, buttery and perfect. I rolled them in sugar for a little extra sparkle and then popped them in the oven until they're just right. I can't wait to show you how I did these.
So I have here room temperature butter that I'm going to put into my KitchenAid mixer. So we're just going to pull the soft, tender parts of the rosemary. We don't want the little woody parts, just the very, very soft parts of it. And so we're going to pull off enough so that we have about a teaspoon. Do not go more than a teaspoon and a half, because we want these to have a rosemary flavor, a supporting rosemary flavor, but we don't want it to dominate. It's supposed to be very subtle. So now we're going to add this to our butter. So I have a combination of powdered sugar, granulated sugar, because it gives it a really nice texture. So this is the consistency you're looking for. You don't want to whip air into this because that's a different cookie. We're making shortbread cookies. Now we're going to go ahead and add our salt, our flour. In go the cranberries. Just a slight stir again. I mean, how easy is that? Now we're going to wrap this all together and create a nice log. And now we'll put it into the fridge and let it set for half an hour. I pulled it out of the refrigerator. It's now ready to be rolled in some sugar. Just to even it out, we take out the little butt end. Makes for a really delicious, yummy cookie. Hey, these are ready to go into my 350-degree oven. They're going to bake for like about 10 to 12 minutes. We don't want them to get brown. They're just supposed to have the barest pale color around them. So see you in like about 10 minutes. Okay, it's time for me to give one of these a try. So let's break it up for you here, but it's a beautiful, beautiful texture. So good. You know what? There's just a hint of rosemary in there that tells you it's the holidays, and there's something fresh and herbaceous about it. Anyway, it's really good. I hope that you guys enjoy these for the holidays and you enjoy it with a nice cup of tea. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.